Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I did two fun and easy DIYs inspired by Chanel. This first project here is a Chanel vase, which was super fun, super cute. And for my second project, it was inspired Chanel perfume bottle, which was really fun. All the things that I did today are very affordable and cheap. So let's not wait any longer. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. Alright guys, so what you'll need is some fake flowers, which I got from the Dollar Tree store. I also, my picture is laminated on cardstock paper, very durable. I also got some rhinestone sheets, a shadow box, some little blocks, Gorilla Glue, also ribbon, which I really did not need, glitter, Mod Podge, a little vase, and also some little clippers. And those are all the products that you need. A lot of these items came from Dollar Tree. Very affordable. Alright, so let's get on to the fun stuff.